Hello, DRJC or Jordan here, and here's a new member of the family. Hi, Fred. It's a parrot, and it's hanging from the top of its cage. Silly bird. Hi, Fred. Hi, Fred. Hi, Fred. Just got her today. And yeah, it's a female. And its name is Fred, even though it's a female. Is that so? Is that so? Parrots are so cool. Parrots make all kinds of noise now. It's been quiet for about an hour, maybe hour and a half. Oh, it's climbing. It's climbing. Oh, it's moving. Who's a good bird, Fred? Who's a good bird? Who's a good bird? So flippin' cool. So cool. Hey, Fred. Luna was, like the past 30-something minutes, I think it's been 30, I don't know, something like that, was sitting right there staring at the bird. Sitting right there staring at the bird. It's just been checking out. Luna's been checking out the bird for a little while. What noises are you making? This thing is so cool. Oh. Hi, Fred. What's a good bird, Fred? Good bird, Fred. It is so cool. So yeah, we just got Fred today. Got her around 1:30, maybe 2. Oh, it's a really cool bird. Apparently, the people that we got her from say that she whistles along to certain songs. She dances to music. Actually, the owner actually got her to dance when we went to go check out the bird. It got the bird to dance. It was just basically doing a little head bob. It was really cute. And apparently it knows quite a lot of words. And it imitates, it can perfectly imitate, laughs and stuff like that. And voices. It can repeat it listens in on conversations. There you go. It listens in on conversations. It can repeat them back in the actual person's voices. That's a smart bird. Legit. Alright. Let's go see Fred again. Oh. Hi, Luna. Checking out the bird? Checking out the bird? You cannot eat it. You do not have my permission to eat the bird. Not that you can. Not that you can't, but I saw you licking your lips over there. Luna. Hi, Fred. Pretty bird. So, that's Fred, the African Grey Parrot. Yeah. If you enjoyed meeting Fred, please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Yeah. I keep moving. I don't know why. Say bye, Fred. Say bye, Fred. Nah, it hasn't talked. It hasn't talked yet, but I don't doubt that it will. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. I will talk to you guys all later. DRJC out.